Snow. It comes every year and is the gift that keeps on giving. So forget the grueling task of shoveling. Let's save our backs and save some time with this week's feature product from Dewalt, the 60-volt max snowblower kit. This innovative electric snowblower is ideal for those with long driveways, businesses that need to clear out parking stalls, or that one legendary neighbor that always clears the whole neighborhood sidewalks. It has a 21-inch by 13-inch intake, which contains a durable 7-inch steel auger that can withstand those pesky pebbles strewn about the sidewalk. And being equipped with rugged 9-inch rubber tires, you'll be able to tackle the heaviest of snowfalls. Need to clear the snow at night before heading to bed? Not to worry. This powder plowing machine is equipped with dual LED headlights to make sure you can see the path ahead. And since this baby runs on two 12-amp-hour flex-volt batteries, it's 80% quieter than a comparable gas blower, keeping the streets quiet while still producing the snow-throwing power you need. On top of that, it's 25% lighter and is equipped with a quick fold handle, so it can easily be stored out of the way when you're all done. Speaking of the handle, let's take a look at the fun lights and buttons up top. You have your standard power button, a charge indicator for each battery, and two gray paddles next to the display for electronically rotating the snow chute back and forth. With just a press of a button, you get a 190-degree range to choose where you throw your snow. Lastly, you can swap between three power modes. Standard mode for everyday snow cleanup, eco mode being a great option for light and fluffy snow, extending battery life by slowing down the auger. And finally, we have max power mode, which puts the auger into overdrive to handle all that wet and heavy snow, though it does drain the batteries at a faster rate. At an average runtime of 45 minutes per charge, this snowblower can clear up to 400 meters of ground, equivalent to 16 parking stalls. Perfect for any maintenance workers out there. Plus, no more making sure you've got a spare jerry can on hand. Just charge the batteries when you're done, and it'll be ready the next time you need it, which will probably be in a few hours. Good thing the included chargers juice the batteries in 60 minutes. So, what are you waiting for? Go out and spread the snow with this week's feature product, the 60-volt max snowblower kit from Dewalt. Do you have any special tricks for getting rid of snow? Let me know in the comments below, and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest feature products. Have a great Canadian day.